At Albatross Plumbing, we're proud to be part of the Malaqua and Sicamous community, bringing plumbing and HVAC services to our area. From new builds, renovations, to service work, we do it all. We've got the tools, the team, and the experience to handle everything from drain cleaning to complex water treatment systems. Whether it's a well pump, water treatment system, or a new subdivision, we've got you covered. We're Albatross Plumbing, Heating, and Gas Fitting, built on trust and your satisfaction.